A giant sinkhole with ancient forest inside found in China. A team of Chinese scientists has discovered a giant new sinkhole with a forest at its bottom. The sinkhole is 630 feet deep. Oh my God, Will.
Deeper than ours.
Deeper than we are right now. Maybe it's below us somewhere.
Yeah.
Remember when you were a kid and you'd be on the beach and you'd be like, I'm digging a hole to China. And your friends took you seriously?
Yeah.
They're like, wow, maybe we'll get there. And then the parents are like, it's time to go home. And really you just have a muddy pit. And it's
You
like
start filling it with water.
2 feet deep and you'd never made it anywhere.
No.
Go ahead. This is a video. Interesting.
I think Ryan sent this.
Uh-oh. Is this bogus? Oh, jeez.
What do you mean?
Well,
You
at
just
this-
heard Ryan.
No, the slideshow. What is this slideshow? It doesn't look real. I mean, maybe it is. Okay. All right.
Just another
know.
It's
picture.
just longer in the slideshow. It's
I
like,
don't
oh,
know. I don't know.
too
Like, no,
bad.
I'm looking at the definition of the images, but I'm looking at the watermark with the news agency. And then actually these photos, there's like
well, it
that's
says
Getty Images. But the thing is, this doesn't seem that deep. That doesn't look like 630 feet. Maybe
Maybe this is just the rim.
Yeah.
There you go.
I mean,
Maybe you're in there.
it's cool. It's cool. I'm into it.
Oh, look at that.
I mean, some of these images are
Couple God
amazing.
rays?
They look.
Whoa, that's a cool image.
I mean, they look good.
Yeah.
They
We
look
need to
good.
see a video, right?
Yeah.
We
Archaeology news, 630 feet deep. I mean, okay, it's cool. Oh, you're going for it.
I'm
You're
gonna
going deeper.
try.
You're going to go 630 feet deeper to verify this particular news story.
Because I wonder why they don't have any footage. You would think that they would.
Film
Have
some
it.
video.
Yeah.
Yeah, slideshows make me nervous on the internet when we're. Wait, how about that? Breakfast television right there, 7 hours ago. Or you think you're gonna get? You think you're gonna get yeah, you do it like that. Okay. So they just discovered this. I guess that's what's cool about it. You're just walking along. You're an investigator of sorts. You're a geologist.
Yeah.
You're like, whoa, look down there. And then you have a magic moment where you're like, well, they should use this for some type of film next time they got Godzilla and Willie Doo's going to try to watch it. When he sets up his HDMI, his USB-C hub, and then his HDMI 4K 30 frames because it's all he needs for his movie about the giant sinkhole that houses the next King Kong. Am I right, Will, or what?
Yeah. Why is Otis just coming full speed?
He's
so happy.
He's coming back home.
Anyways.
Yeah, he knows where he belongs.
Yeah. I mean, I'll set up my computer in the sinkhole.
Interesting. That's a different take.
Yeah.